shower starting to like flip, and that's how Aurelia started. Oh. But Tommy had crazy curly hair.
Oh, really?
So bad. No.
It's time.
Wait, who is this from, Mom?
So just give it a minute.
You're letting go. I didn't want to miss because that's what happened.
And her hair bows are right there.
So we did some more because Aurelia has like grabbed some and ruined them. Oh, these are thank you so much. We love a cheetah.
They
Mama's a cheetah girl.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
When I was they had
Yeah, I get asked to work 5 days. Everyone else is getting 4 days, I'm getting 5 days.
Oh my God.
I'm like, why are you doing
What time is it now?
and then tie these arms together.
How many did you
And then one of the guys younger than us, newer than me, works the 2 weeks.
You're welcome.
Thank you guys. Letters the same.
Thank you, Lynn.
Dad's holding it like, oh my gosh, this is adorable. He's like, what do I do?
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, that's fair.
Well, no, that's the problem is that they don't work through the things right throughout the week.
Right on time this time.
No.
Oh, they have.
Can't afford that.
I just tied it. You don't have to tell him about the cash.
Oh,
No, Kyle, you don't have to
no, that's a Barry hands all her stockings. She goes, y'all missed the whole present. And I immediately went, stockings, they're hanging. I said, you can't assault me at your
So you
Christmas.
can get that extended.
Get your hands out of my shirt, you mother of a Mary.
Just because you're white.
Like today.
Yeah, not
You want it on your
he said. But he got a brand new wallet too, so he's like, put it in the bill. Like, put it in the bill. Tonight.
But, oh, you're trying to get it open?
Well, Trina and I also have a fun game for the adults.
Oh, okay.
So,
I got an announcement. Are you pregnant?
yeah, okay. But that is.
That's what it's on. At my age, that's what it's on. Like, everyone's like, Trina and I have an announcement. No, babe. Bring it here. Bring it to
No,
Mama.
you just turn it into one spot.
Bring it here, Mama. Okay.
really
Every adult, grab a bag, a box, whatever. So, here. There's one for you.
Aurelia.
Don't open it. Don't open it. Nobody open it. 20 or No, we're gonna sort of.
Aurelia.
Hey! Come on, y'all. Get in here.
Yeah. Tommy can kinda, but like, Grandma Lynn's got a
It's not good still cut.
Okay, I don't think everybody loves them, so we're gonna stop.
Well,
Chrissy thinks she's in trouble when she hears
Yeah, I know. I see her face. She's
that was-
like, I don't like this. So that's why I said everybody stop.
Don't open it.
Okay.
That's what I was saying.
All of a sudden, we picked all the tulips out of that lady's front yard.
Tulips.
There's one for you.
Yeah, Chrissy's not listening.
Oh, you're taking the small chair?
I thought you
No, it's okay.
Alright.
She did
There's
the
one for
whistle, and I
you.
was like, yeah. and all of a
Griffin, you're
sudden,
gonna
me and
play?
Chrissy picked all the
Yes.
tulips out of that
Okay.
lady's front yard.
Here's the one.
Don't
Don't open it, okay? Because we're gonna play a game. So don't open it.
Okay, I'm gonna put it down here.
Alright, put it down. You're gonna have to put your phone down too. You have to play the game. Alright, here's one for you.
Aren't we all?
Okay.
No, that was the one that we had given to us.
Ah.
This is the one that I can't touch.
Okay, gotcha.
So,
Gotcha.
can you put your stuff aside so you can play the game?
You're not supposed to look
Don't
at
open it.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to play?
I get all this.
I might be kind of hungry.
Oh, yeah.
You don't want to miss out. Right?
You got yours.
You're not
Think
gonna
about
play
how
Alright,
much you've been looking forward to having this time with your family.
Yeah.
Are you reading or?
I actually are not medicated. You probably.
Okay.
Yes.
Then you can just here.
We're the same ones.
Oh.
Am I supposed to wait?
Yes, nobody opened
You're
their
not allowed
gifts.
to open your.
Well,
Okay,
we're